What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. Recently OnePlus rolled out ColorOS 12 stable build for OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. We got lots of comments regarding how to root this build of ColorOS 12. So in this video we'll show you how can you root your OnePlus 9 or 9 Pro running ColorOS 12. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here you can see I have my OnePlus 9 which is currently running on the latest build of ColorOS, which is ColorOS 12. Here you can take a look at the software information which says ColorOS version is version 12. And now rooting OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro running Oxygen OS 12 or ColorOS 12 is quite simple. You just need to manually unlock the bootloader. Later, root tool will take care of everything. So I'll show you how to do that now. First of all, you need a PC and also you need to download the correct root toolbox. Depending on your version, download the root toolbox from the description below. So right now here you can see under build version it says C.36. So I'm using root toolbox of version C.36. And also make sure your PC have updated fastboot and ADB drivers. Nowadays, after the latest update of Windows, lot many users are facing issues with the fastboot drivers and ADB drivers. So I made a detailed video on that. You guys can just follow that video guide if you are facing any kind of issues related to ADB drivers or fastboot drivers. After that, download the platform tool from the description below, and this is the root toolbox. Root toolbox is password protected. You'll find the passwords in the description below. Just right click, extract the file, and it will ask you for a password. Just enter that password and you'll be good to go. So here you can see this is the root toolbox. We just have a single file here. Before starting with the root process, we need to manually unlock the bootloader of a device. So on your device, just go to About section, tap on version, and you need to tap on build number 7 times until you see you are a developer now. After that, just go back, system settings, and from here under developer options, enable OEM unlocking and also enable USB debugging. Once you are done with all these things, now power off your device into fast boot mode. First power off the device, and the key combination to boot into fast boot mode is you need to press and hold volume down, up key and power key together until you see the fast boot screen. So let's press all these 3 keys together. And there you can see a device has successfully booted into fast boot mode. Under device state it says logged. So first we need to unlock the bootloader of a device. Connect your device to PC. Once you have connected your device to PC, open up platform tools, and inside this just open up command prompt. Simplest way to open up command prompt is type CMD in the address bar, hit enter, and after that give a command to check whether device is properly connected in fast boot mode or not. The command is fastboot devices, and here you can see the serial number of your device. That means your device have properly connected in fast boot mode. And as I said earlier, if you guys are not able to see this serial number, that means you need to update the fastboot drivers. So once again you can check out our previous video by which you can update all your drivers like fastboot, Qualcomm and ADB. So our device have now successfully connected into fastboot mode. Let's unlock the device by giving a command, that is fastboot OEM unlock. And before hitting enter, make sure you have taken the entire backup of your device, because unlocking bootloader will completely erase the data from your device. So I have already taken the backup. Let's hit enter. You'll get a pop-up on your device asking to make a selection if you want to unlock the bootloader or not. You can use volume keys to select, unlock bootloader, and to confirm, press the power key. Now your device will boot into recovery and perform a factory reset. Later the device will boot into system. So as you can see, our device have been successfully booted up. Just complete the initial setup, choose your preferred language, agree to the terms and conditions, and it's not required to connect Wi-Fi or any other stuff. So now we have successfully unlocked the bootloader of our device, and now you can see we cannot disable the OEM unlocking because our device have already been unlocked. And by default on ColorOS, USB debugging is also enabled. Now what you have to do is you need to run the root toolbox. So this is the flasher file. Just double click on this first, allow necessary permissions. So in this command prompt, you need to use the numbers key to confirm whether you have agreed to the terms and condition. For example, here you can see it says 1 if you have already read it, and if you want to reread, then you can use the number 3. And here we have 2 options to root a device. But before that, if you don't have the device driver installed, you can type 1 and install the device driver. My PC already have device driver, so it is not required. But for you guys, if you are trying it for the first time, make sure to install the drivers also. After that we have second option to restart to bootloader. After you agree to the terms and condition, here you can see all the details about your device, which version of OS your device is running, and if your device doesn't boot into bootloader mode, we have an option to manually boot the device. So just manually boot your device into bootloader mode. First, power off the device. To boot a device into fast boot mode, use the same key combination of volume up, down and power key. Press all these three keys together until you see the fast boot screen. Here you can see a device have successfully booted into fast boot mode, and under device state you can see device is unlocked. Now connect the device to PC. Once you have connected your device into fast boot mode, now instead of installing root manager APK file that we can install it manually after booting up also, we'll give the fourth command, which is flash images via normal method 1. It says reboot to bootloader. And if first method doesn't work, you guys can proceed with second method. So let's type 4 and hit enter. This will hardly take 5 to 10 seconds. And you can see flash completed. If your phone cannot boot, try to use method 2. So let's try to boot a device now. Now we'll manually reboot a device. So to manually reboot your device, as you can see here on the top side, it says start. Just make the selection using power key and your device should boot into system. So there we go, our device have been successfully booted up. So as you can see, after the reboot, we already have Magisk installed. You just need to update this APK file. Let's update this application. Tapping on it, tap on OK, and this will download the latest version of Magisk. And once the system downloads the APK of Magisk, just install it and we are good to go. Now we have Magisk pre-installed on a device. Required additional setup. Just tap on OK. Device will reboot in 5 seconds now. So our device have been successfully booted up. Now you can sideload the root checker application and see whether your device is rooted or not. So let's open up root checker application, tap on agree, and let's verify root. So here you can see super user request, grant, and there we go. It says your device is successfully rooted. So guys, this way you can root your device running ColorOS 12, and after that you can also debloat ColorOS and remove Chinese applications which are installed on this OS. And this is the simplest way to root OnePlus 9 series with the help of this root toolbox. If you still have any kind of questions, you can join a Telegram group. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.